What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here on my channel. In today's video, we're going to be walking you through the marijuana or weed stock NBEV, New Age Beverage, or NBEV. You guys know that marijuana stock. Either way, this stock looks really good. Me and our private group, we've been following this stock for the past couple weeks. We've been trading it, but right now the stock looks really good, and I want to come out and mention it to you guys because I'm sure some of you might not be following it. Some of you guys may still be following it. But we noticed that, a few months back, NBEV went through this massive push. You can see it went all the way up, then it came all the way back down. Now it's bouncing, now it's going back up. Nonetheless, after all of this trading action has taken place, we have come up with the fact NBEV is a very bullish stock for the current moment. You can see it's on a very good uptrend here. And from its highs going down its previous lower highs, the stock has now broken out of its daily trend line resistance, whether you're going from the tops or if you're going from body candles. NBEV has still broken out of this triangle wedge pattern. What we also have taking place inside of this wedge pattern, again, this bullish wedge pattern, is we also have what appears to be somewhat of a cup and handle pattern. And by the way, cup and handle patterns look like this, and then they usually kind of push up in that direction. Let me redo that a little bit lower here for you guys, okay? Cup and handle patterns a lot of times, or not a lot of times, all the time, will look just like that, okay? So what we have inside the triangle pattern, or if you want to call it a bullish pennant, an ascending triangle, whatever you want to call it, we also have, arguably, a cup and handle pattern right there that formed, and now it's kind of breaking out of that pattern. So in my opinion, we have a very bullish stock. It has received some price upgrades, and they have done a kind of a merger deal with another company. So as of right now, recently NBEV has been in the news a little bit. There hasn't been any real recent reports over the past couple days in terms of news. So right now, NBEV is still running on the hype and momentum from its last news report, which was all the way back on, let's see, where was it? Right here, 12/27, New Age Beverage files an 8K. Then it was on 1/7 that Northland Security announces $8 price target on NBEV, and etc. So there's been some good news, especially this one here. Northland lifts New Age Beverages price target after Morita purchase eyes nationwide CBD opportunity, etc. You guys get the point. But nonetheless, the stock is on a bullish move, and I wanted to make this video just to kind of show you guys what's going on. We have a nice uptrending bullish move. We have just broken out of the trend line. So right now, this weed stock has a lot of potential. If it were to break, over this, let's call it $8, right? If it can keep moving up and over $8, it would most likely move all the way back up to test its previous high levels, which would be right here, okay? So nonetheless, we have a possibly good bullish move coming on NBEV. I've already been trading it. I've made a good amount of money over the past couple of days trading it. It hasn't really taken off the way I had hoped for, but I still think that in the coming days to weeks, we're going to continue to see some bullish movement here on NBEV. And to touch it up here and to finish up this video, again, from here, this point going forward, that's the uptrend from the highs going down on the high points here. One there. You guys can see that it is now broken trend. So typically, we would normally see a price increase go that way. Now, it's possible we see the stock pull back, maybe consolidate a couple days and then move. But as of right now, my outlook is very bullish on NBEV. I hope you guys liked the video. In this video, we have shown you a cup and handle pattern, a little bit of a bullish, kind of ascending, bullish pennant move taking place. And then also, let's look at the 5-day chart here before we hop off. You can see over the past 5 days, just kind of a steady grind. And we have this massive drop late day. So we have seen a lot of sellers coming into the stock NBEV. And if you also look, this stock has a 35% short float. So that means there's a lot of people that have been shorting the stock and that are still shorting the stock, which means it does have or run the risk of a short squeeze. So this is going to be one of the main stocks we'll be following for the next couple days. I hope you guys liked the video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. That's how I know to make more videos or what to make more videos about and so on and so forth. So thank you guys again for tuning in. If you can, give us a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, all the good stuff before you're out the door. We'd appreciate it. And we'll see you guys on the next video.